Jim Rohn, a renowned entrepreneur and motivational speaker, left an indelible mark on the world of personal development. His teachings, profound in their simplicity, align remarkably well with the concept of shadow work, a psychological practice rooted in exploring and integrating the less visible parts of our personality. Rohn famously said, "Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better." This echoes the essence of shadow work, which is about confronting and embracing the parts of ourselves that we often ignore or suppress. It's a journey not for the faint of heart, as it involves delving into our deepest fears, unacknowledged desires, and often unexplored traumas. But, as Rohn advocated, facing challenges head-on is where growth happens. Another key teaching of Rohn that aligns with shadow work is the emphasis on self-responsibility. He believed in the power of personal accountability, urging individuals to take charge of their lives. In shadow work, this translates to acknowledging and owning the darker aspects of our personality, rather than projecting them onto others. Now, let's delve into the exercises and techniques of partaking in shadow work. Shadow work action number 1 is journaling. Let's begin by understanding why journaling is so effective for shadow work. Firstly, it offers a safe space for expression. When you journal, you're in a private, non-judgmental environment where you can freely express thoughts and feelings that might be too sensitive to share with others. This freedom allows for an honest exploration of your inner world, unearthing emotions and thoughts that otherwise remain hidden. Another crucial aspect is the transition from unconscious to conscious. Many aspects of our shadow self reside in the unconscious mind. Through writing, we bring these unconscious thoughts and feelings to the surface, making them more accessible for understanding and integration. Journaling also aids in identifying patterns and triggers in our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This is crucial in shadow work, as it helps us recognize the hidden parts of our personality that influence these recurrent themes in our lives. Journaling can be a cathartic experience. It provides a way to release pent-up emotions, which is vital in dealing with repressed aspects of our shadow self. Consistent journaling enhances self-awareness. By writing regularly about your experiences and inner thoughts, you develop a heightened awareness of your internal state. This increased self-awareness is fundamental in shadow work. Now, how do we practice journaling for shadow work effectively? Begin with free writing. Write without any specific agenda or structure, allowing your thoughts to flow freely onto the paper. This can help bypass the conscious mind's filters and tap into deeper thoughts and feelings. Next, try prompted writing. Use specific prompts to explore areas of your personality that you usually avoid or are unaware of. Questions like, "What am I most afraid of?" or "What traits in others irritate me the most?" can lead to profound insights about your shadow self. Reflective journaling is another powerful technique. After an emotional or significant event, write about your feelings and reactions. Reflect on why you felt or acted a certain way. This reflection can provide insights into your underlying beliefs and attitudes. Engage in dialogue with your shadow self. Write a conversation with your shadow, asking it questions and allowing it to respond. This can be a powerful method to understand and integrate aspects of your shadow. Dream journaling is also insightful. Keep a journal of your dreams and analyze them. Dreams can provide insights into your subconscious mind, revealing aspects of your shadow self. And remember, consistency is key. Regular writing helps maintain a continuous dialogue with your inner self, fostering deeper understanding and integration over time. Journaling as a tool for shadow work is incredibly effective. It safely explores the depths of your psyche, brings unconscious thoughts to the conscious mind, and helps identify and integrate hidden aspects of your personality. Through various journaling techniques, one can embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and personal growth, embracing the full spectrum of their being. The next action we can take with shadow work is meditation and cultivating mindfulness. These practices help us develop an awareness of the unconscious. Through meditation and mindfulness, we learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without attachment or judgment. This non-judgmental observation is key, as it allows us to notice and acknowledge thoughts and emotions that are usually repressed or ignored, often revealing significant aspects of our shadow self. Meditation creates a safe and calm space for exploration. In this space, we can explore our shadow without fear or avoidance. This exploration is crucial for acknowledging and integrating the shadow self. Mindfulness, in particular, teaches us to reduce reactivity. We learn to observe our reactions without immediately acting on them, providing insight into the deeper motivations behind our responses, many of which are driven by our shadow. Regular meditation practice has also been shown to help in emotional regulation. By managing our emotional responses more effectively, we're better equipped to confront and integrate shadow aspects, especially those linked to intense emotional triggers. Moreover, mindfulness and meditation foster a sense of compassion and self-acceptance. Embracing our shadow self requires a compassionate attitude towards ourselves, acknowledging that the shadow is an inherent part of our human experience. Now, let's consider some practical techniques in meditation and mindfulness for shadow work. First, practice mindful observation. Regularly observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Pay attention to what arises and passes in your mind, especially those thoughts and feelings you tend to resist or judge. Engage in focused meditation. Participate in meditations that emphasize self-discovery and introspection. Guided meditations, specifically designed for shadow work, can be particularly effective. Try body scan meditation. This involves mindfully scanning your body for sensations and emotions, helping you identify how shadow aspects manifest physically. Loving kindness meditation, or metta, involves sending loving and compassionate thoughts to yourself and others. This practice can be powerful in cultivating an attitude of acceptance towards the shadow self. Lastly, incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Be aware of your moment-to-moment experiences, reactions, and choices, as this ongoing awareness is crucial in recognizing and integrating shadow aspects in everyday life. In conclusion, meditation and mindfulness are invaluable tools in shadow work. They help us cultivate a non-judgmental awareness of thoughts and emotions, including those forming the shadow self. By practicing these techniques, individuals can safely explore and integrate their shadow, leading to greater self-awareness, emotional regulation, and ultimately a more holistic sense of self. The next action towards mastering shadow work is mastering your affirmations and visualizations. Shadow work is a profound journey towards self-awareness and healing. At the core of this journey lies the need to accept and integrate all parts of ourselves, even those we might not be fully aware of or comfortable with. This is where the power of affirmations and visualization comes into play. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When applied to shadow work, they serve as a tool for positively reinforcing the acceptance of parts of ourselves that we often ignore or dislike. These affirmations act as a beacon of light, guiding us towards a more compassionate and accepting view of ourselves. The regular use of affirmations can quite literally rewire our thought patterns by repeatedly affirming positive beliefs about ourselves, including the aspects we consider to be our shadow. We initiate a change in how we perceive and feel about these parts of ourselves. Furthermore, affirmations in shadow work are geared towards promoting a deeper level of self-acceptance. They help us create a balanced view of ourselves, acknowledging both our strengths and weaknesses. Let's talk about how we can practically apply affirmations in shadow work. The key is to create personalized affirmations that specifically address the aspects of your shadow self you wish to integrate. For instance, if you struggle with feelings of inadequacy, an affirmation could be, "I am worthy and capable, even when I feel insecure." These affirmations, when repeated daily and mindfully, become a powerful tool in altering our mindset and perception of ourselves. Moreover, affirmations can be combined with other techniques like journaling or meditation for a deeper impact. This combination allows for a more profound reflection and internalization of these positive statements. Now, let us delve into visualization. Visualization involves creating mental images of the desired outcome. In shadow work, this means visualizing oneself, accepting and integrating shadow aspects, leading to a more complete and balanced self. Visualization can be a potent tool for emotional and psychological healing. By mentally picturing the process of embracing your shadow, you align your emotions with this acceptance, fostering a healthier relationship with yourself. It also creates a mentally safe space for exploring and interacting with shadow aspects. This can be less intimidating than confronting them in real-life situations initially. To apply visualization in shadow work, engage in guided imagery exercises focused on this theme. Visualize meeting your shadow self, having a conversation, and accepting and integrating this part of yourself. Regular practice of visualization, like affirmations, is key to ingraining these concepts into your psyche. Combine visualization with relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to enhance focus and reduce any anxiety surrounding shadow work. In conclusion, affirmations and visualization are invaluable tools in the journey of shadow work. They enable us to positively reinforce and mentally rehearse the integration and acceptance of the shadow parts of our personality. Through consistent practice and integration with other techniques, these methods lead us to a more holistic and balanced sense of self, fostering personal growth and self-acceptance. The next action we can take towards mastering shadow work is understanding the use of shadow work rituals. Understanding the concept of shadow integration is crucial. These rituals often involve symbolic actions or gestures that represent our journey into the depths of our psyche, to embrace the parts of ourselves that remain hidden or unacknowledged. These actions are deeply personal and vary greatly depending on one's cultural background, personal beliefs, and individual preferences. An essential aspect of these rituals is the creation of a sacred space. This space, whether physical, like a special room or a spot in nature, or mental, like a meditative state, serves as a sanctuary for introspection and reflection. It's in this space that we confront and embrace our shadow selves. Intention setting is another key component. Setting a clear intention to confront and integrate aspects of the shadow self guides and motivates us throughout the ritual. It's a declaration of our commitment to self-discovery and growth. The use of symbols and objects that hold personal significance is also integral to these rituals. These items, be it photographs, stones, candles, or other personal artifacts, become symbolic representations of our shadow selves, aiding us in the process of integration. Now, let's delve into the practical applications of these rituals. The ritual of acknowledgement involves naming and verbally acknowledging the aspects of the shadow self. This can be done through spoken word, writing, or artistic expression, and serves as a powerful step towards acceptance. The ritual of release focuses on letting go of the negative impacts or influences of the shadow self. This might involve writing down negative traits or memories, and then symbolically releasing them through burning or burying. The ritual of acceptance involves affirming the acceptance of the shadow self, often through affirmations or mantras that foster a sense of compassion and understanding towards oneself. Visualization rituals use mental imagery to confront and embrace the shadow self. This might involve visualizing a meeting with the shadow self, having a conversation, or offering it acceptance and love. Meditative rituals engage in meditation focused on shadow integration. This could involve specific mantras or focused breathing exercises, aiding in the gradual acceptance and integration of the shadow. Nature-based rituals are also beneficial, utilizing elements like water, earth, or fire as symbolic tools for purification, grounding, or transformation. In conclusion, shadow integration rituals provide a structured and symbolic approach to confronting and working with the shadow self. They offer a pathway to bring the hidden parts of our personality to light, accept them, and integrate them into our conscious life. By undertaking these rituals with sincerity and commitment, individuals can experience a profound sense of wholeness, self-acceptance, and psychological well-being. These rituals are deeply personal and introspective, and their power lies in the depth of engagement and authenticity we bring to them.